Today we're diving into the world of comfort food with a twist. Get ready for some chicken pot pie magic. Welcome, lovely viewers, to my cozy kitchen of chaos. Chaos is just another word for delightful adventure in my book. Let's get cooking, shall we? Now watch as I expertly prepare this guitar lick. In my world, mispronunciation is just seasoning for the ears. I'm not a big fan of knife work if it's not necessary. Use your food processor. Everything goes in the food processor, the mushrooms and the onions. For the chives, just use a scissors. It's a lot easier than using a knife. Same with the bacon. Ideally it's a cold bit of bacon, but then use the scissors. Ugly. Nice, chicken and chive. Alright, cook the ass off that. This was supposed to be a beautiful slow-mo, but it was overexposed. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. Bit of bad camera work. Yeah, I don't know. I need a cameraman. I need a scriptwriter too. There you go, look at that beautiful flour toss. Good at tossing. Mix it in there. This is gonna help everything come together. Nice and thick. This is the cream. I actually put in a lot more cream than that, but you know, my wife is watching. And there goes the hideous mushroom mixture. And the mushrooms are delicious, but they look so bad. So get a little bit of brown on that if you can, alright? And then you're done. Let's move over to the pastry side of things. Use a puff pastry, use it everywhere. The bottom, the sides, and the top. And make sure you do it on the bottom sides as well, because people get upset when you say you're making a chicken pot pie and it's just a bit of puff pastry on top like in a restaurant. And it really irritates a lot of people. So for making a full value pie, right, I use the outline of the springform dish to cut a circle out. Then I'm just, cutting some strips. This is not precise work, as you can see. And yeah, I am an engineer and I don't care. This works. Just try not to make your puff pastry too thick, because when you cook it, it's going to be raw inside. So we're just looking for like 1 unit of thickness. Here I am unrolling another sheet of puff pastry. You'll need a couple of these things. There you go. I'm after using the outline of the springform pan to get the top. Now, join it up with your fingertips and just squeeze it together. That's all you have to do, squeeze it together. You don't need to spend 2 minutes doing this. It is literally a 10-second job, okay? After this, we're going to put some egg wash on it and then put a little hole in the top so that when you cook it, the contents and the steam, they don't all end up squeezing out the top, The little hole is for exhaust gases, so to speak. Egg wash is important. If you want that golden look, you're gonna need those egg wash. Look at how stylishly I flicked the first one away. And just do that with the rest of them. I hope you have your oven turned on. If I forgot to tell you, that's my mistake. Let me see. This is like a suspense thriller, but with pie. I could rival any Top Chef in pot pie suspense showdown. Here comes the moment of truth. Come on. I should have edited this out. Sorry, I'm kind of wasting your time here. You could use milk here, but it's probably not going to be as good. But if you don't have eggs, what can you do? Now this is just arsing around, seriously. Oh, there you go, the moment of truth. Look at that. These things were absolutely delicious.